Welcome to SDN 01 Taman Kota Madiun, the candidate school for Google Reference. SDN 01 Taman is a candidate for the digital learning school for Google Reference, which has become an ecosystem at SDN 01 Taman Kota Madiun. The teaching and learning activities utilize one of the features of Google Workplace for Education, which is Google Slides, to present the material of Pancasila about the cultural diversity of Indonesia. After that, the children were invited to complete their assignment using the quizzes feature. The digitalization of learning can improve the quality of education by providing access to a wider and more interactive range of learning research. Students are instructed to identify traditional house and traditional attire in group via Google. Students present the result of discussion with their group via Google Slide about the diversity of traditional house and attire in one of the provinces in Indonesia. They are very confident and enthusiastic about the diversity of traditional house and traditional attire. In order to understand the material on culture diversity, students are given assessment and interactive quiz in the form of a game, which can be accessed in the quizzes application. Students are instructed to measure body weight to obtain data and process it using Google Spreadsheet. In addition, learning data processing materials become more enjoyable by utilizing Google Spreadsheet. With Google Sheets, students can easily create bar charts and pie charts without having to draw. This also makes students more interested in the material of data processing. Then, students can present the result of the data processing. With confidence, students present the result of their data processing work in the front of the class. In order to understand the data processing material, students are given worksheet on Google Forms. By using Google features, students can also conduct virtual learning through Google Meet. All learning activity can be summarized in Classroom, which become a virtual class for elementary students of SDN 01 Taman Kota Madiun. The summary of the learning that students have obtained can be written using Google Docs both individually and collaboratively. In addition to IT-based learning, SDN 01 Taman Kota Madiun has a digital learning innovation called Gading Mandalika, which use features from Google for Education. Gading Mandalika is galeri dinding, majalah literasi dan numerasi, serta kreasi anak. Students learn to memorize numbers through rhymes made by Google Slides. Create illustrated stories using Canva. Analyze the nutritional content of their lunch using Google Sheets. Write book summaries from their reading in the school or CIB library using Google Docs. Make biographies of inspiring figures using Google Sites. Students present their creative result from Gading Mandalika in the form of illustrated stories with full confidence. It is hoped that this activity will attract the attention of other students and increase literacy, numeracy, and creativity students. The teacher conducts an evaluation question and answer session on the material of Gading Mandalika. Gading Mandalika was present as a good practice example at the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education on April 24 to 27, 2025 under the theme of digital learning. It aims to support schools in becoming more prepared for digital education. Through the simple yet impactful activities, the program hopes to help improve overall literacy and numeracy scores in Indonesia. The digitalization of learning at SDN 01 Taman Kota Madiun is in line with the Asta Karya of the Mayor of Madiun for the years 2025 until 2030, namely Madiun as a Madiun Kota Pintar and Madiun Kota Inovasi.